Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the Jordan 1 High in the light gray smoke colorway. Now before we get into the shoe, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23, as well as the Soul Luxury. That is my brand. I got new merch out. This is one of the pieces. So don't sleep, definitely go check it out. But with that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. The Air Jordan 1 OG Light Smoke Gray is another colorway of Michael Jordan's first signature shoe that will drop later this week. Dressed in a similar color blocking to the 2018 Union X Air Jordan 1 collab in a mix of white, black, light smoke gray, and varsity red. This Jordan 1 features a white leather upper with gray suede overlays, a red leather collar, black swoosh logos, a white midsole atop a black rubber outsole completes the design. Look for the Air Jordan 1 OG Light Smoke Gray to release July 11th at select Nike retailers. The retail price is set at $170. Now, right off the bat, I gotta say these shoes are straight fire. I definitely want this as a personal pair, but I do think there's gonna be resell on this shoe, and we'll get into resell here in a bit. But before we do that, let's just go over the shoe. You do have white leather on the underlays, gray suede on the overlays, a black Nike swoosh. Then looking up at the top of the heel section, you got red leather with the Wings logo in black. You got that black suede in the back, which I think looks very nice. The quality on these shoes are absolutely A1. So the tongue is white. At the top of the tongue, you do have a black tag with red Nike Air logo. Now the shoe comes with black laces. I'm hoping they throw in some red and white ones. I think those are the best colors for this shoe. And if I do get the sneaker, I will do a lace swap video for you guys. You got a black lining, black insole with the red Nike logo, white midsole with a solid black outsole. I will leave a full store list in the description below. Places to cop the shoe, places holding raffles, all that good stuff, so definitely check that out. Now let's get into resale. So currently on StockX, these shoes are going for around $300, give or take 50 bucks depending on the size. So there's definitely a lot of potential with the resale on this shoe. Jordan 1s usually always have good resale. So after these shoes release, I can see them going for around $275 up to $400. It does look a lot like the Unions, which I think a lot of people really like. It's just a solid Jordan colorway. So again, $275 to $400. Now I definitely think you're gonna want to go for the lower sizes if you are looking to resell this shoe. Try and get a few pairs, and hopefully the resale on those pairs will make up for my personal pair, so I technically get the shoe for free. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the shoe. What are your resale predictions? Again, don't forget to check the store list in the description. Also, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23, as well as the Soul Luxury. Again, new merch out, so definitely go check it out. Copy something cool. But yeah, with that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out. Look at these.